Let's not even talk about economically excluded as of now. So that because when we talk about economic excluded, we all have a backdrop in which we all within our hearts believe we will never be able to do it as an economic activity. It is a good cause to talk. It is a good cause to do. Can we make a beginning? And I want to share with you that we all have our hearts in the right place. So each one does various initiatives. I belong to a group in which prior to my coming to this exchange, I used to be with a commodity exchange, and looking at this good cause of reaching out to the farmers, we went and adopted through the India Post close to about 800 or 900 odd villages. And we said that if no charge was made in a village and technology was given which is resilient enough, all information was available, and we bundled this piece of information in a village through a set of consortium partners which included all the agriculture equipment providers, all the agriculture input providers, all the banks which were willing to lend. And we said this person will be on our salary, this technology will be ours, and we've sustained this for 5 years now. It does not give us any revenue because it's a cost to us. And we wonder, and it's a big question to ask, that the sales that happen through this outlet are minuscule. And I think it's a learning example for us that even if your hearts were in the right place and you wanted to do something with an objective of actually reaching out to the financially excluded, why don't they consume these services from there, and why are they consuming it from alternate channel?